Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Shut down the computer and remove external power and battery. You must ground yourself to avoid static damage, so clip on an anti-static strap or touch metal often. Next, open the case or access panel, keep screws organized. Identify whether the NIC is a PCIe card, M, 2-module, or USB dongle so you know which slot or port to use. Once done, position the system for easy access and clear workspace lighting so you won't fumble tiny connectors. You're removing the existing network card. Loosen the retention screw or unclip the M2 latch and gently pull the card straight out without rocking, which can bend contacts. If it's a USB NIC, gently wiggle and pull the connector free. Inspect the slot and card edge for dust, corrosion, or bent pins. Clean with compressed air if necessary. Once removed, set the old card aside and compare the replacement to verify pin alignment and matching form factor before proceeding to installation. You're installing the new NIC. Align the connector and press the card straight into the slot until the retention notch clicks, then tighten the screw or latch. Reassemble the case, reconnect power, and boot into the OS to install drivers. Use the vendor driver for best performance. Make sure the OS recognizes the adapter and link lights are active. If networking fails, reseat the card, try another cable or port, and check BIOS/UEFI for disabled PCIe or onboard NIC settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.